Hello my dear aspirants and students, how are you? My name is Wasim and I am going to bring a new channel for you. आपके लिए एक नया चैनल लेके आ रहा हूँ जिसका नाम है A to Z नॉलेज हब। तो इसमें आपको हर तरह की जानकारी मिलेगी। इस चैनल का नाम A to Z नॉलेज हब इसीलिए रखा गया है क्योंकि यहाँ पे आपको हर तरह का नॉलेज मिलेगा। सो दिस नॉलेज इज कनेक्टेड टू academic also and even competitive examination also. So in competitive examination, what are the syllabus will come that you learn in academic, and in academic what you learn that you can utilize in competitive examination. All the things like general knowledge, current affairs, science and technology, all these things are connected to each and every examination, and all the examinations are connected and all the knowledge is connected and made one this channel that is known as Knowledge Hub, A to Z Knowledge Hub. Let us see what we'll get in this channel. So this channel, say the logo of this channel is A to Z Knowledge Hub. Now we'll see what is get in this channel. So this channel, the theme is A to Z and this is divided into two different levels. तो आपको कुछ नहीं करना है, अगर आपको लेटेस्ट अपडेट चाहिए तो लाइक एंड सब्सक्राइब करना चाहिए और शेयर करना चाहिए आपको चैनल. Now see, this channel or theme of this channel is divided into two different levels, competitive level and academic level. कॉम्पिटेटिव लेवल में आपको हर एक तरह के एग्जामिनेशन की जानकारी मिलेगी. देखेंगे कौन कौन से एग्जाम की आपको जानकारी यहाँ पे मिल सकती है. First of all, see it is competitive level examination. So how many exams will come? UPSC topmost the examination will come the UPSC, that is Union Public Service Commission. Here the government will conduct many examinations like a CSE, Civil Service Examination. Next will come the Staff Selection Commission. One more will come the Railway Examination, and one more will come the Post India Examination or India Post. So these are recruitment continuously going by the government. So yeah, here in UPSC what will come, main things are current affairs will come, general knowledge will come, and mental ability will come. And these three, current affairs, general knowledge, these are the backbone of any examination. ये हर तरह के एग्जामिनेशन में आते हैं और हर तरह के एग्जामिनेशन इन दो चीज़ों से इनकम्प्लीट है. अगर आप कुछ भी अगर हाईएस्ट मार्क्स सिक्योर करने हैं तो आपको ये दो चीज़ें पहले आना ज़रूरी है. करंट अफेयर्स है, एक जनरल नॉलेज है. दीज आर वाइड एरियाज, बहुत ही वाइड हैं, जितना पढ़ेंगे उतना कम है. फिर भी इसके चैनल के द्वारा एक कोशिश है कि आपको एक ना कुछ एक अच्छा नॉलेज जो आपको यूजफुल होगा वो नॉलेज आपको दिया जाए. नाउ UPSC that I already told, especially I will cover here one main paper that is environment and ecology. एक बहुत ही important concept है, that is environment and ecology. Basically I am a science teacher, so I can guide you very well regarding environment and ecology by connecting with current affair and general knowledge. Now this is regarding the UPSC examination or central government examination. One more next will come, especially I belong to Karnataka. So in Karnataka there is a department KPSC, Karnataka Public Service Commission. So here KPSC exam will come, KPSC exam will come. Then one more will come FDA, then SDA, and many other departments are there. Waqf department are there. Many different exam departments are there, have conducted different examination. So even here one exam also will here in KPSC. Whatever the concepts are there in UPSC, the same are there in KPSC. There also I will cover the environment ecology. Here also I will cover the environment ecology, and even whatever the in previous page I had told you regarding the general knowledge and current affairs, that also you can utilize here. Next will come here Karnataka CET. I am also an aspirant like you. So Karnataka CET examination. Here basically I am a science teacher. I can easily guide you regarding mathematics and science. As per the latest what the change is there, that I'll try to cover the concepts here. Next will come the CARTET. I also successfully cleared the CARTET examination. मैंने कामयाबी के साथ मेरा जो CARTET examination क्लियर किया है. तो किस तरह से आपको क्लियर करना चाहिए, जो टेक्निक्स है, टूल्स है, जितना हो सके उतनी आसानी से किस तरह आप इस एग्ज़ाम को क्लियर कर पाएंगे, वो सब मैं यहाँ पे डिस्कस करूँगा. Here also I'll cover the part of mathematics and science and some part of psychology. And next will come the science and technology. So every day the government is implementing something, and we are discovering something happening, and some many government will release some bills and some regarding climate, everything, whatever is going. All this whatever the portion will come in science and technology or current affairs related to science and technology, that will explain you as per your examination. Next will come CTET. If you want to work in any Navodaya school or any army school or any central government school, so this clearing of CTET is very important. सेंट्रल टीचर्स एलिजिबिलिटी टेस्ट एज पर द गवर्नमेंट रूल नाउ, अगर आप एक बार इस एग्जाम को क्लियर करेंगे तो लाइफ टाइम आपको सर्टिफिकेट मिल जाएगी, तो एक ही बार में क्लियर करने की कोशिश कीजिए. तो हियर आल्सो आई विल कवर द स्पेशली द साइकोलॉजी पार्ट, देन मैथमेटिक्स and science, and also I'll try to cover English and Urdu language. I'll try to cover. If you are aspirant, if you are choosing the Urdu and English language, then you can subscribe to this channel. आप जिस कैटेगरी को बिलोंग करते हैं, कॉम्पिटिटिव लेवल है, एस्पिरेंट से, आपको ये यूज़फुल होगा. अगर आप स्टूडेंट हैं तो भी आपको यूज़फुल होगा. सो नेक्स्ट पार्ट विल कम रिगार्डिंग द एकेडमिक लेवल. देखिए एकेडमिक लेवल में क्या आएगा. सो आई एम अ साइंस टीचर, मैथमेटिक्स टीचर, सो NCERT syllabus I'll cover for 8th, 9th and 10th. Especially I like the subject physics. I'll cover here for class 10th and class 9th. Chemistry also cover, and class 9th physics also I will cover, and even class 9th chemistry also I will cover. So here I'll share some tricks and techniques with you. From that you can easily score 100% marks in examination. So from last 10 years, always there are 2 to 3 rankers in the science subject that is guided not only by me, many other teachers, especially I guided in physics subject. So easily you can score the aspirant and even the student. Next will come here. See the subject already told, the class 9 chemistry, then NCERT class 8 science is one of the basic. So knowing this science is very important. Which one? Class 8th. Here are many questions that in FDA, SDA exam, from this 8th standard science will come. If you know this, then easily you can at least score 5 to 6 marks in examination, this science. Now these all the things are incomplete without mathematics. So the mathematics which is belong to 8th, 9th, 10th, whichever it is there, that I will cover, and mathematics is very helpful for you to clear any problem in examination. So all the examinations are includes the mathematics subject, because anything is incomplete without mathematics. होप आपको ये सब कुछ अच्छा लगा होगा. अगर आप एकेडमिक लेवल से बिलोंग करते हैं, स्टूडेंट हैं, तो भी आपको फ़ायदा है. अगर आप एक एस्पिरेंट्स हैं, एग्ज़ाम की तैयारी कर रहे हैं, आपको ये भी फ़ायदा है. एकेडमिक लेवल एस्पिरेंट को यूज़ होगा, और एक कॉम्पिटिटिव लेवल जो है स्टूडेंट को भी यूज़ होगा. अगर एक स्टूडेंट अगर आपके स्कूल में कुछ भी पार्टिसिपेट कर रहा है, अगर उसको जनरल नॉलेज की, साइंस की या तो करंट अफेयर की ज़रूरत है, तो यहाँ से वो हासिल कर सकता है. So it is useful for aspirants also and even students. So hope you liked my channel. So watch it and click on bell icon to get a latest update on the channel. So support us, like and share this channel. Spread more and more. Thank you. We'll meet you in one more new video. Till that, take care of yourself. Bye.